lovelies, welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another one. That means you guys notifications are turned on, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be coloring my hair, and the brand that I'm gonna be using is the Dark and Lovely brand. Okay, that is of course my go-to number one A1 day one brand. Okay, if you ask. All right. Okay, guys, so the two stuff that comes in this kit is the conditioning color and also the cream developer. Okay, so I'm just showing you that box that I use, and that's the 371 jet black. Okay, and of course, you know, the instruction guide comes in the kit as well. Okay, so yes guys, so I do definitely of course love this brand so much because it makes my hair so soft after every application. Okay, so listen lovelies, this brand is definitely Miss Kimmy K approved. So as you can see lovelies, I did separate my hair. I did section my hair in four so that it will be more manageable for me. And what I'm doing is just working that color from root to ends. Okay, from the root to the ends of my hair so that it will distribute so evenly. And then I'm just going to go through with my fingers and rub that color in. Listen, come on, we need to get a close-up of this. We need to get a close-up of this. Do you see that color coming through? Trust me. And you see when I rub my fingers through my hair, it just feels so soft. Like usually when I use other brands, my hair just feels so coarse, like, you know, like, oh, like my hair is about to fall out. But this brand, Dark and Lovely 371 jet black, it makes my hair feel so soft. The color is distributing perfectly throughout my hair. Like, it is great for beginners. Listen, beginners, you are safe with this brand. Okay, yes, try it. Okay, lovelies, if you have reached this far in this video, this is only a friendly reminder reminding you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Yes guys, please hit that subscribe button if you are not yet a part of the Miss Kimmy K family. Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the family, and also show your girl some love by hitting that like button, thumbs up this video, and also share this channel with your friends and family. And please feel free to drop a comment down below. Now applying my plastic steam cap, I'm gonna go under the dryer for 15 minutes, okay? So now fast forward, after the dryer, I rinse that color out, and now I'm gonna go in with that conditioner that actually helps to lock and seal that color in, guys. And trust me, I have no mercy in using this conditioner, okay? I use so much from that tube, but I'm just gonna massage that conditioner in my hair again from root to ends, okay? Because I definitely don't want to miss not a strand of hair. I just love that scalp therapy, that massage, and that feels so good in my hair. Listen, when you do this, like when you give your hair, your scalp a massage like this, isn't it just like so relaxing, right? Okay, Kim, snap out of it. Okay, the therapy session is over. So I just applied that plastic cap and left that conditioner in for 3 minutes. And what I'm spraying on my hair is that Afoji deep conditioner treatment. So I'm just gonna leave that bottle or something on the side of the screen so you guys can see what I'm using. But if you use too much of this deep conditioner, guys, you are going to, it's gonna leave your hair a little bit dry, okay? So please don't use too much in your hair. It was my first time using it, but yes. So don't do that, okay? So as you can see on my face, I'm like, what the hell is going on with my hair? My hair was soft, so how the hell, okay? So, but it was workable, okay? Okay, lovelies, this is the end of this video. But please, what do you guys think of this whole process? What do you think of the results? Drop a comment down below and let me know if it was a success, okay? But I mean, I love it. Like the full jet black, it is showing. I love the end result. And guys, I did go in with a little snip. I did cut a little ends of my hair. Yes, those are little split ends and stuff, so I did do that. But yes, lovelies, I love the end result. Let me give you a little slow-mo bounce, a little shake, okay? So guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.